We are here at Machu Picchu, an unforgettable journey to one of the new seven wonders of the world. A place that's not only breathtakingly beautiful, but also steeped in mystery, history, and incredible engineering. Before we wrap up our day, we made a final stop for dinner at a lesser known local spot in the town of Aguas Calientes. So buckle up as we travel across continents and step back in time to the heart of Inca Empire. Our journey begins in Dallas, Texas, with a quick flight to Atlanta. From there, we catch an overnight flight to Lima, Peru, and then a short 1 hour hop over to Cusco, the historic capital of Inca Empire. Cusco sits at an altitude of over 11,000 feet, so we spent our first day just relaxing and acclimatizing. We had pre booked our Machu Picchu tour about 2 months in advance, which is a smart move, especially if you are planning to visit during the summer months when it gets super busy. We start our journey with a 2 hour bus ride to Ollantaytambo. From there, we boarded the train to Aguas Calientes. The train gives you panoramic windows and skylights, offering incredible views of the Urubamba River, thick jungle, misty peaks, and scattered Inca ruins along the way. Once we arrived in Aguascalientes, we walked through a vibrant local market full of handmade goods, textiles, and Peruvian snacks. Then came the final leg, a 30-minute bus ride with winding switchbacks that take you all the way up to the entrance of Machu Picchu. Just a heads up, lines for these buses can start hours early, especially in high season, so plan accordingly. As the bus climbs, you are treated to the views of majestic mountains. Finally, we arrive. Right at the gate, we met up with our guide and began our tour. And then there it was, the first look at Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu was built around 1450 AD during the rule of Emperor Pachacuti, who is often credited with informing the Inca Empire. This site likely served as a royal retreat, ceremonial center, or scholarly sanctuary. But just a century later, it was abandoned, possibly due to disease or resource shortages, and the jungle slowly reclaimed it. It wasn't until 1911 the site was brought to international attention when Hiram Bingham, an American explorer, was guided here by a local farmer. Now, here is what makes Machu Picchu truly fascinating. The stonework is so precise, it's said you can't fit a piece of paper between the blocks. These stones were placed without mortar and engineered to withstand earthquakes. The walls incline inward slightly, and doorways are trapezoidal to absorb shock waves. The agricultural terraces are more than just beautiful. They help prevent erosion, collected rainwater, and created different microclimates for crops like corn, quinoa, and coca.
It's like this.
After the tour, we took the bus back down to Aguas Calientes and explored the city center. At the heart of the town, you'll find the Pachacuti monument, the emperor who shaped the Inca world. Now, here is a tip. Most restaurants here are very touristy and pricey, so we headed over to the local market. That's where you find authentic meals, local prices, and a chance to eat where the residents do. Highly recommended. After dinner, we boarded our train back to Ollantaytambo, followed by a bus ride to Cusco. We left around 4 in the morning and got back at 1 a.m. the next day. We were tired but absolutely worth it. If you're planning your own Machu Picchu adventure, drop your questions down in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and join us on the next journey. Thank you for watching.